must study the pana the same mean say me buafu or kasa yaw so and answer attempt so because of me ma a obobo we asinti da be because of me dwuma wo yenti da be edumi na dwuma wo ye obi mu ni kwase ada obi nya ni bibia da na obi mu nko da omo mu wi sika wo se omu nya ma nka emire bia obe kasa be traso bia no eye party no and na obi ye bibi etia party no. So for me, if this is not a measure of his level of love and commitment of the party, what else?
Okay.
So the party is not being fair. And a lot of the youth, our party, you know, they say no party way. Ukasa kumani bebre na traso a echire you cassette out. And some of us your do party no yakuma our party, you know. And no crown we enforce a love and our commitment to support the candidature of Honorable Agyapong. Enti papa ne de say the okan ye no ni numa ene enyema wo ye me pese me koso bebre my show
question ni bisa no we yaro but mame nkom anim kakra e wo ho ye to aba no yansa na ye beto no yes we beduru kro mo no hu no say ese wo change because now we nyan decide be bia wo de ko do no atete obi anu asem wo ne kan hia ye no wo hu say da bi ha na wo say kro results party ni nyae no sana na o hwe ni mu na o hu ni se ebelusu na ebelusu kura be se de bai
lucy de you say ebelusu.
Okay.
And but the extent was what was shocking. Because also party no na ye wo assembly was ye no asema na was ye no ne say yes ye can for party. If you ya call campaign training or form no one of the message that originated with the people and the delegates the man between His Excellency Bawumia was the fact that the perception say ya fa manwa ye beka say say kan omusu yenu muslim for na say mahama kai. And that message went down and we are convinced that the voter the loving votes and the zongo votes no at least obetimi dibiaba. Enti sabi abani ko ya na abani ho ebebi kan say emi before ankotoaba, which is a fact. They bring ankotoaba na we look critically at the few that went to polls. Now we analyze here, then you will realize that there was a problem with the candidate that we presented. Because 7 regions, almost every parliamentary candidate nipa ankotoaba say we want to know they not to a president, but almost people voted for the region. What central? 13,000 difference between the presidential candidate. That man go Abuja Pohwa. 4,000 difference. 7 regions across the board. You saw say people the voting pattern went for the MP, but the presidential candidate no they never for.
I think it was 3,000 difference. Omo mbeko akoto aba Masamia Ukuno, omo ntoma Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
And you know some of us after the election you say I say adentia. Then we began to bisa ya won say bebre. On say ababia no ade baako a ebua the message of hope. And no nti na my energy Honorable Ken abaya ye kwakoto. He is the only candidate that can give that message of hope to Ghanaians. Why do I say so? Especially His Excellency Bawumia was seven wa one making certain promises. And achievement we can talk of promise or making your central region. We can talk of Paralugu Dam. We can talk of. I remember there are some petty ones for Ghana for every muscle. There were some point of promises the next MPP government, you know, when we are disabled for me, they're mining all the toll booths 100%. Or come by you try to toll booth me. So he has suffered that promise crisis now, and some now what cannot be a misfire. I'm causing the open. It's that message of hope. And I'm because Mijini and Kabawuma with the economic powers now you need. And then can let dollar you what your promises are about 500 Ghana for the JD. But you see, I'm seeing a castle the big not tell or crown up. It's